Sadly, that guy right there, Aaron Tanti, who stepped up to I think they call it SX1, the 450 class for the Abu Dhabi World Supercross race. First final, first couple corners, caught bars with somebody else, crashed, and, well, he's got some broken ribs, which really doesn't work very well for him because he's competing in the Australian Supercross title this year, and the second round is this Saturday, which is, 4 or 5 days away, and who knows how long he's going to be stuck in Abu Dhabi before they allow him to fly. 2, broken ribs and a bunch of bruising and all that kind of stuff. Not exactly the thing you exactly want to be racing with. Breathing is kind of important, and it sucks because apparently he's 6th in the title, 10 points behind Dean Wilson, who's leading it, which is great for Dean Wilson, but sucks. You come over for one race, something bad happens, the most innocuous thing, you touch bars with somebody else, a bike falls on you, and, well, the title that you're supposed to be competing for now gets ruined by racing in another series. But for these people, it's what it is. I mean, you can get injured, walking down the street, practicing, the day that you have to go do a couple laps or a full heat, whatever you want to call it, you can get injured anywhere. And if you're going to be a racer that's kind of goes with the territory and going into something like this where you can possibly get a lot of exposure, pretty good money, and who knows, international exposure is the same thing, but sucks to see. You never want to see somebody get injured, especially that is competing in another series, and this is kind of like a side thing, but hopefully it gets better. Hopefully he heals up quickly and he can go back and compete. But in the comments below, tell me, who do you think is going to win the Australian thing? Are you rooting for Dean Wilson to finally get a title or somebody else that's competing it, whatever it is? Comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.